Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a paper anthurium, and all the materials and the template will be linked below the video. First, take some white tissue paper about the height of 2 inches or so and glue it onto your floral wire stem. Make sure to glue it every so often as you go so it doesn't unravel and at the end. We just want it to be slightly thicker than the wire, and you could also look up some images online to see how these centers look. Then use some watercolor and travel watercolor brush, I'll be linking below, and add some yellow about halfway and make sure it is darker on the top and gets lighter towards the bottom. Then add some green onto the top and blend it into the yellow as best as you can. Don't over soak your brush with water when you are doing this. Next, add the glossy finish Mod Podge onto the tissue paper, and while you have the Mod Podge out, you will also need to Mod Podge the leaves and the pattern all over with the glossy finish. I have a few different versions of this flower, so you could try making a variety of them. You could also adjust the size to make some bigger and some smaller, or mismatch the pattern color to the leaf shape, so some could have a darker pattern, or you could just make them in a solid same color. I thought it was fun to have a variety of these. As you Mod Podge this, make sure to stroke along the pattern and leave it to the side for it to dry. And I'll be making a couple more here, and you could see the different shapes here, but you could also skip to the next chapter if you want to go on. It should take about 15 to 30 minutes for it to dry. Once I finished through the other ones, the first one I glued was dry and ready for me. The next step is optional, but I felt the little details were a nice touch. I added white Sharpie dots going around the tissue paper. If you look up images for the anthurium, I felt that there was a small dotted texture, but it's not as noticeable, so this is optional. Next, grab the dried leaf shape with the pattern and shape randomly out or in. I felt the flower is very wild looking with the shape, so it should be randomly shaped. Then use this shaping tool I'll be linking below. I dig in between the patterns so you could see these ridges forming. You want to put enough force when you are shaping these. Next, add a hole right in between the pattern and to the end of the leaf, and add your stem and add glue right below the tissue paper. Then floral tape the bottom. The stem color was great, but I liked this lighter green floral tape to finish off. Next, I wanted to show you this flower in this color where the pattern and the leaf is the same color, but the pattern makes it so that it has this texture just like the anthurium in real life. Repeat the same steps with a new color, or you could skip to the next chapter to see the final look. I think these are going to be a great addition to my paper flower bouquets. Please like this video below, and thank you for watching.